In this video, you will learn how to make an online counseling appointment. To begin, please make sure you're on the official cos.edu website. Once you're on the College of the Sequoias website, go to the heading titled Student Support, click the heading. Then you will go under the heading Counseling in orange letters and click the third option titled Schedule an Online Counseling Appointment. You will then be redirected to our online counseling Zoom appointments. You are able to select counselors by location, Visalia campus, Tulare campus, or Hanford campus. For this example, we will use the Visalia online counseling. Please make sure you read the information on this page regarding the counseling appointments. Once you've read the information, then you can go ahead, click here to schedule an online appointment today. You will then come to our online appointment system. You will be asked to enter your banner ID, including the @ symbol, and your date of birth in the format listed here. Then go ahead and click the blue button, Sign In. You will then come to the counseling appointment menu. In this menu, you are also able to view or cancel appointments. So if you've made an appointment and would like to cancel the appointment, you can do so here. Or you can view when your appointment is scheduled for in case you need to confirm the day and time. For this example, we are going to make an appointment. You will then be able to search for counseling appointments. You have the option to select the day of the week, the start time, and if you're looking for a specific counselor. As a reminder, this online system is for scheduling online Zoom appointments or telephone appointments. If you would like to schedule an in-person appointment, please call the phone numbers listed here. When making or scheduling an online Zoom appointment or telephone appointment, we do expect that you are in an environment where you can focus and engage in the conversation with the counselor and have access to a computer or tablet, as we may ask you to look up information needed during the counseling appointment. Zoom appointments are always preferred because we're able to share screens and information with you that is pertinent to your student educational plan. Telephone appointments are best when it's specifically to quick questions. Please remember that your safety is of our concern. Do not take any online appointment via Zoom or telephone appointment while driving. Let's continue on selecting the appointment. For this example, I am going to search all days available, start time available, and counselors. I will just click the blue button, Search. I will then get a list of all the appointments available. For this example, I will select the first option, which is October 1st, Friday at 11 a.m. with Marvin Turk. I will click the blue square. I will then be asked to select a reason for the appointment. If you're unsure what your reason for the appointment is, go ahead and select counseling and or advising. If you know that you need to update your student educational plan, or that you're a new student needing an educational plan, or you need to change your major, select student educational plan. For this example, we will select student ed plan. Please make sure your phone number is correct, whether phone number, cell phone is the same or not. And also make sure that you use your student email, COS student email, when making this appointment. Once again, it is important that the email address you enter here is your COS email address. If you do not know this information or you do not have access to your COS email, you can contact the Welcome Center at 730-3730, 730-3730. If you enter a personal email address here, we will still send the confirmation to your student email. So again, if you do not have access to your student email, please contact the Welcome Center at 730-3730. For this example, it will ask you appointment type, and we will select video or Zoom appointment. Once again, for in-person, please call the phone numbers listed here. Go ahead and continue by clicking the orange button. You will then get a confirmation of your appointment with the name of the counselor, the day and time of when this appointment is scheduled. As a reminder, a confirmation of this appointment will be sent to your COS student email within 24 hours of when you made the appointment. It is important that you check your email within those 24 hours so that you know how to access your online Zoom appointment. We do not send email reminders of the day of your appointment. Therefore, it is important that you check your email 24 hours of when you made the appointment. If you do not receive the confirmation of this appointment, you can check your junk mail, or you can call our office at 730-3715. 730-3715, and we can help you with redirecting another confirmation email of your appointment. And this is how you make an online counseling appointment.